got this 2014 Infiniti Q50. We got a code for P0305. We did have a code for P0300. It's probably gonna be related to the 305. So on the cylinder, we got bank 1, we got 135, and bank 2, we got 246. We didn't get a code for 246. We did got a code for cylinder number 1 at first, and we fixed that. But after a couple months, then the cylinder number 5 came up. So we got a new ignition coil and new spark plug. We're gonna put it in and see if the misfire is gonna come off. All right, let's get it. All right, we got everything back on there. We got the ignition coil, spark plug, throttle body, filter neck. We're just gonna go see. I already erased the check engine light. I don't think it's gonna pop up again, but let's see. Moment of truth. It was shaking before, now it's smooth. I already can feel it. And before, when it had started, it was hesitant to start. So right now, the customer gonna be happy. Yeah. Alright, you need an oil change. Probably gonna do that tomorrow. Alright, it's VP Special Mechanic. Let's get it.